Hi friends, my name is Bhavik Mal and here my colleague is.
Hi friends, my name is Mayur Gupta.
We are going to represent our project.
Conventional light source like fluorescent tube light (CFL) consumes more power and which light intensity cannot be controlled easily. Compared to that, LED panel consumes less power and which light intensity can be controlled easily. Our project is to about control the light intensity of rooms for distributed premises from centralized control unit wirelessly. Here is the block diagram of our project. In that, there are main two units, CCU and LICU. From CCU, light intensity for different rooms is transmitted wirelessly. LICU is installed at each and every room. Now let's get into the CCU. In CCU, there is GUI which is developed in a processing. From GUI, one can transmit the desired light intensity which is further controlled by MSP430F227 through serial to SPI converter. CC2500 will transmit it wirelessly. All these three units combine into the EZ430RF2500 board which is from Texas Instruments. This is the block diagram of LICU which is installed at each and every room. Input comes from 230 watt AC main which is step down transformer and further rectifier will make it pure DC. TIIC 70433 is 3.3 volt voltage regulator from Texas Instruments which is used to power up EZ430RF2500 board. This board receives required light intensity which is transmitted from the CCU and generates control signal for LED driver. LED driver drive LED panel and LED panel bright up to the desired light intensity. Now PID loop will maintain desired light intensity in the room against the change in ambient light. PID loop's closed path is completed through the light sensor. Light sensor gives input to the EZ430RF2500 board. Components used from TIIC.
This is an internal structure of intelligent LED lamp. Here there is a transformer which is used to convert 230 volt AC into 12 volt AC. Here there is a bridge rectifier which converts 12 volt AC into 15 volt DC. This 15 volt DC is given to the IC TLV70433 DBVT which is of Texas Instrument and which is 3.3 volt regulator. This 3.3 volt regulator is used to supply the EZ430RF2500 board of Texas Instrument. This board receives desired light intensity from the CCU and maintained into the room using PID loop, and PID loop is implemented into this board. Here we have MOSFET to control the LED panel. MOSFET cannot be turned on directly using 3.3 volt, so we have BC547 transistor to control the MOSFET. And here we have LED panel and LDR to measure the ambient light intensity. This is setup of our camera. Here is CC and here we have two LIC. One and two.
This is GUI which is developed in a processing. Here there are a number of rooms. We can select appropriate room here, set light intensity from this scroll bar and hit on the set button. We have also help. We can select all the room together and set same light intensity for all the rooms. Now let's have demo. Set light intensity 20 to 21 lux. Select room number 1, set 21 and hit on the set button. You can find that light intensity, LED is glow. Now if we open the door,
We can find that light intensity is decreased. Now let's check with the lux meter. We can find that the overall light intensity remain to the close to the desired one, which is 21 lux. We can find that the lux meter is very close, very near to it. Now, similarly for room 2, we set light intensity same as a 25 and hit on set button. So that's it for room 2.
Here it is shown that how power saving is done.